Guys, today we are. I'm a certified iPad kid. That guy freaking left. I was gonna kill that monkey because I'm Monkey Eater 7004. I'm gonna go find some monkeys to kill because I'm a gorilla and these guys are monkeys. Why is UG floating? That is super. Like, hey, foul! I gotta be foul. Eat my balls. Eat my balls. Eat my doors. Eat that. Sucker. Scrumptious. Oh man, don't hurt me. That's me. Learn your manners. Give me the Doritos. Give me the Doritos. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Monkey. I'm sorry. I'm gonna run away. Eat my doors. Eat my doors. Balls. Oh, balls away. Balls away. Balls away. Oh, that's me. I mean, you hit me, but like, oh bad. I'm sorry. Yeah, go kill him. Go kill him. Monkey. I'm gonna go run my shop. Monkey. Where is my restaurant? I'm going to my restaurant to serve the wonton and fried rice. Cause everybody likes that. Let's see if anybody comes. I think they're busy. Oh man. I'm just gonna go to the top floor. Like, I've had enough. I have no customers. I'm gonna end it all.
He doesn't like the
I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh man.